Hello. Hi. Thank you for watching this video, if anybody who might be watching. Today it is close to the end of February, and I'm really excited to start actually making some progress on some garden chores for this growing season. And I want to take a little video for like the start of the season type of a deal, like a little garden diary type of journal vlog, I guess. So watch if you want to. If not, see you on the next thing. But today I am going to prepare my strawberry bed for the growing season by firstly pulling out any weeds, secondly pulling out any dead plant material from last season. Then after removing everything that needs to get taken out, I'm going to add in a pretty thick layer of, I just use like the basic compost stuff that you get at the garden center. So like a mixture of like kind of like wood chip mulch soil along with some composted chicken manure. And then I just water it all in with a fertilizing water that promotes buds and blooms. So I guess let's just head out there. And as you're watching, if you want to, you can like this video with a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. It's really just like a very casual, informal type of YouTube channel where I'm just making little videos like this that document or like journal or vlog my indoor houseplant gardening, my outdoor backyard gardening. Sometimes I throw in videos from like, I don't know, yummy little snacks and treats that I make, or like just random. It's super random. So if you like that, you can subscribe. Anyways, without further ado, I guess we'll just jump into it. No. Spray it out the bottom here because it's broken. Well, that is all the time I have for the garden today. Thank you for watching if you watched, and I will see you next time, and take care.